All right, guys, this will work on any kind of Dodge that uses this type of ignition. I got the trim ring off, but when you turn the key, there's no bounce back, no start. So what's important is the engine light comes on and your gauges move, because then you're in the run position. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go outside. This might save you a tow home. We took the car down to pharmacy, went to turn the car back on. It wouldn't start. I didn't have any tools with me. All I had is a USB Type-C, and we're going to get it running. Okay, under the relay cover will be the third relay up. This one right here. And what we're going to do is use the USB cable, and we're going to touch this pin with the key on. Let me make sure the key is on. And you don't want to push it down the whole way. You've got to leave enough room for the USB cord to touch the pin. Then we're going to touch it off of the positive power supply. All right, the key is on. Taking one end of the Type-C. Any kind of USB cable will work. Oh, we're going to just touch the positive terminal. And we're going to touch this pin right here. There you have it. Saved you a tow. That's right, Phil. It's a common thing for a Dodge to go there. The trucks do it, Chargers, 300s, 200s, things like that. Anything with this style of ignition, that's an ignition switch actuator pin. And that's the ends that break off. There's plenty of good videos on how to replace this. I'll link a really good one. This video is mainly how to get you home, guys. All right, adios.